Hey guys, it's me, Mr. C, getting you ready for your next big lab, which is called the Wax Paper Watershed. As part of this lab, you're gonna simulate what it's like to have rainfall fall on land and collect into watersheds or river basins that end up feeding water into rivers. So first off, safety. For this lab, we're only working with water, a little bit of food coloring. So I'm gonna recommend that you wear a lab apron, but it's not gonna be required. No safety glasses or goggles will be required either. Next up, supplies. The first supply is a piece of wax paper. Secondly, you're gonna get a spray bottle filled with water, and then you're gonna need a pen or a pencil, and I'll be coming around with the food coloring after we get started. First thing you need to do on the wax paper is choose one corner of the wax paper and make a dot with your pen. It's going to be hard to make the ink stick, but you want to put it right there in the corner of the wax paper. Then comes step 2, which is really simple. Crumple up the wax paper. You don't want to make it too small or too crushed, because when you open it back up, you want to make sure that it has lots of high points and low points, mountains and valleys that can create watersheds for you. Remember that your ink dot is going to be in one of the corners. So in my case, that corner is right here, okay? So when you get done doing that, you're going to put it in the bottom of the sink. That's going to catch all the rainfall, the water, and make cleanup super simple. Next up, you're gonna take your water bottle and you're gonna turn the cap all the way down. You're gonna twist it to the right, clockwise, until it's totally closed. And then you're gonna untwist it exactly 1/2 twist. And when you do that, it's gonna be in a mode where it makes a mist instead of a direct jet. We're trying to simulate rainfall. And if rainfall happened as a shooting stream, a jet from the sky, I think most of us would probably stay inside during rain showers so we wouldn't get like split in half by the rainfall. This is a better simulation of rainfall. Once you've done those 2 steps, Mr. C is gonna come by and I'm gonna put a couple drops of food coloring in one far corner of your wax paper, away from your dot. And then you are gonna begin adding rain, stopping occasionally to draw a picture of what you see happening. You want to draw a top-down picture that shows the way the water is moving, okay? On that top-down picture, you want to make sure you show where your ink dot is and where the food coloring is. As you add more and more rain, you should start to see the water pool, flow downhill, and you should start to see the food coloring move as well, okay? After you've done that and drawn that, you're going to answer a couple of questions that I'll give you in class tomorrow. Cleanup is real simple. You're just going to take the piece of wax paper, wring out the excess water, throw that in the trash, and then the water bottle you leave at your station. It's really important that you understand that even though I'm giving you a water bottle, to play with a water bottle by spraying other people is going to get you disqualified from future labs. It's also going to get you a bad grade and cost you a bunch of health points in classcraft. All right? That's it. Have fun.